The AutoCast Mini Edge wireless adapter turns a factory-wired smartphone interface into a cable-free setup for both Apple and Android phones, making it much easier to share the car among different drivers. Its compact dongle-style design plugs straight into the car's USB port, then automatically reconnects on every drive so you can leave your phone in your pocket or bag. Wireless Apple CarPlay support works reliably for navigation, music, calls, and voice control, so you keep all the familiar apps without fighting a charging cord. Wireless Android Auto performance is similarly smooth, with responsive access to messages, media, and maps while keeping your hands on the wheel. Dual Bluetooth and 5 GHz Wi-Fi give the adapter a stable link that keeps audio in sync and reduces random dropouts compared with cheaper wireless boxes. Broad compatibility with many original equipment manufacturer systems and the ability to switch intelligently between iPhone and Android make this a practical long-term upgrade for households with mixed devices.